I hear somebody pulling up. What up?
Where at park?
Wherever, bro.
34 gang over here. I want to park with the 34s.
Yeah, do it. Look who it is. Jitsu Jeff is here. Yup, that's my new merch. Finally made new merch, and website is up and running. So go get your new hat. And this is the new company and shop name. Streetwise, big Y instead of I. That's a signature.
I just like this a lot. I want this. Can I buy this?
Which one do you like?
I love this. The Hunko, dude.
Hunko?
This is, yeah.
A stamp.
Basically it, right?
Yeah.
This is a Hunko.
Yeah, so go get my new merch. This is the new site, and we got Japanese and English and yen and USD price, so you guys can check it. And shipping price is already calculated. And we got a bunch of stickers also. We probably gonna only make these one time. First,
Limited quantities, huh?
yeah, limited quantities. This drop is super limited, only 100 hats. So go get yourself a new hat before it's all gone.
That was just
Hey Jeff, which hat do you like?
Middle one.
Hey, the
Hey,
Hunko's
middle one
sold
too?
out.
Dude, sick.
I love it.
You.
Love it.
Sick, man.
Streetwise.
How much I gotta
Let
pay,
me
man?
stamp it for
Let
you.
me say.
No, that's legit.
Do some B-roll with my nice head, dude. Nice head, dude.
Big head. Alright, well that was short, but see you tomorrow.
It's always see you tomorrow. It's always
Always.
like 3 weeks from now.
Nah, we see it every week.
Yeah,
YouTube time is different to real time.
yeah, YouTube time. See you YouTube time.
YouTube tomorrow. Cut. Tomorrow, 3 weeks later.
We got On Carmi right here.
Alright, boys. Out of here.
Alright, peace.
See you guys.
Bye. Mata ne. Today we're building bench. We are cutting little legs. We're gonna put this one like so, and another one here. Build a nice little workbench. Bam! We got the workbench all welded up, looking all straight. We're gonna put plywood, and the workbench is done. And after that, we'll put plywood all over the wall and make little shelves. Looking all good. And looking outside. Oh, sunset is popping right now. Let's go up the roof. Damn. If only this power line were in front of us. Color is amazing. Look at that beautiful sky. We worked all day. Kind of organized. Still not little stuff's not organized, but most of it is organized. And we made a room for 2 cars here. And also build that. And also someone is here. Who's that? Who's here?
Special guest.
New cars! I got new cars.
Is that good?
Yeah, thanks for bringing me a new car.
What's up, guys? Hey, how are you?
Good.
Yeah, man. 2 new cars for you.
Thanks. My birthday present and Christmas present.
Yeah, one for you, one for Nino.
Yay.
Matching.
Thank you.
4 doors?
Eh?
何食べてんの?
チョコアイス。
Please remain seated.
Everything is gonna be alright. Relax and enjoy. You know what to do.
Alright,
Hey, guys.
thanks for the car.
See you later. Yeah, dude, have it.
I'll see you tomorrow again.
Too many problems. You can take it.
Bye, Nico.
Everything's gonna be alright.
Good morning. So you couldn't probably really see the 32 last night. It was too dark. So here it is. Josh's 2 R32 4-door. Josh already has a B&O arrow for this. So I gonna paint arrows, make it look pretty. And also this is a parts car. We're gonna swap dash and interior pieces has a damage in this. So this thing has a clean ones, swaps few stuff over, make this thing is pretty again. And also this is the wall we built yesterday. The shop is coming along. Walls all up. All we are waiting for is a gate right here, and we gotta build another wall over here. Came out pretty legit. It's all covered up now. No one's going after that. We got stuff to do today. Packing some wheels. I just siliconed this thing. Even though we have a rubber, whatever the rubber packing thing, still silicone all around, make sure no water is getting in. But thank you for watching today's episode, and make sure to go get you some hat stickers before they're all gone. So website's up now, link in description, also right here. Go get yourself merch, and thanks for watching. See you next time.